Morning, students. We will see some question of the miscellaneous exercise. One question of 7.5 or 7.4, exercise 7.4. I want to first explain. Later on, I will go on the miscellaneous examples. Some example today I will tell you. Look at question number 7, exercise 7.4. Question says, in how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which 5 can bowl, 5 player can bowl, if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers? Very good question this is. Total players we have 17. Players can bowl, who can bowl, 5. Let me explain one thing, that among the 17 player, 5 player can bowl, meaning they are bowler, and we have to form a team of 11, meaning we have to select 11 player, but exactly 4 bowler must be there. So I would speak about that. We have to form a cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowler. 4 bowler. It means that bowlers, 4 bowlers will be selected from 5 bowlers because they are bowler only. And the rest player, rest how many rest will be? We want to make the team of 11. There are 4 bowlers, so rest are 7. So 7 will be selected from the rest player. Let me explain. If 5 can bowl, so rest will be 17 minus 5, it's a 12. Try to understand. These are total 17 player. 5 can bowl, so the other players will be 12. 4 bowlers will be selected from 5, and we want to make the team of 11. So these are 4 bowlers. This is a special because these 4 bowlers will be selected from 5 bowlers, and rest 7 players will be selected from the rest 12 players. This is simple. So the required way will be simple. First I'll select 4 bowlers out of 5, and the rest 7 player will be selected from 12. If you will focus the situation that 7, it's into, meaning you actually have joined the team, and 7 and 4 will be 11, that is hold the team of 11. Among that 4 is a bowler which is chosen from 5 bowlers, and 7 is a other player which are chosen from the other players. So this is the answer. Now you can solve by your side yourself. I think this is enough to finish the question. Okay, now this was one of the questions which I wanted to share from the exercise. I'll go on the miscellaneous one, miscellaneous example. So example number 20 looking good. Example 20. Example 20 is actually the good work in which permutation and combination both includes. So look at the question. How many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowel and 2 consonant can be formed from the letter of the word involute. So here the word given word is involute, and we want to form different words. Whenever the such situational language comes now, we want to form different words. It means it's a permutation. But these particular word is a 5-letter word. How I would know? Because it is written that each of 3 vowel and 2 consonant must be there. So we have to form different words consist two consonant and three vowels. Three vowels and two consonant. So that is very good that we want to form five letter different words. I'm not writing that. Different words in which three vowel and two consonant must be there. Now let me speak one thing, that three vowels and two consonants will be chosen from these, because actually we want to arrange involute. From the involute, the question says how many words with or without meaning each of three vowel and two consonant can be formed from the letter of the word involute, with it fully meaning that it is a given word. We will separate vowel and consonant. From the vowel, we will choose three vowel. From the consonant, we will choose two consonant. And after choosing, meaning after combination, we will find the words, meaning five letter words. And you know that five letter words, how can we find out? If you have five letters, five letter words are none else but it's a 5p5, factorial 5. So this is whole we have to combine at the last. So let me explain how we can do it. Look at in the word involute, vowels are I, U, O, I, involute, it's a V, I, O, U, E, and consonant, it's a N, V, L, T. So very good thing that four vowels and four consonants we have. What question says we want to form different words which consist three vowels. So from where we will find three vowels? Actually we will find three vowels out of four vowels. So first of all we have to select. So four vowels, I'll write here, three vowels will be chosen from four. You know four vowels by how many ways? 4C 3 ways. Look at. And two consonants will be chosen from 4 by 4C 2 ways. So till now we have chosen. So the way of chosen will be, therefore, selection of three vowels and two consonants by, this is 4C3 into 4C2 ways. This is not answer. This is just way of selection in which three vowels are chosen from four vowels and two consonants are chosen from four consonants, and this time 3 and 2 are five letters you have chosen accordingly, according to question. So till now you have chosen. Now how many letters you are having? After choosing you are having five letters at any time. So in each combination you are having five letters. Now five letters will be formed. Now these five letters can be arranged by 5p 5 ways. Now these are the words, but you know this is not an answer. We first have chosen, selected, and then we arranged. So its whole combination will be, required words will be, first you have selection and then you have arrange. So it's a whole combination, meaning you have to multiply all the things and then you can get an answer. These two are what? The selection, and after selecting, what you have done? You have arranged them. So this is very good thing. 4C3, 4 into 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 into 1. 4C2, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And this is factorial 5, meaning 120. So after it, please do by your own. I know that these three cancels, the 4 remaining. 2 2s are 6 and this is 120. And this 2 will be 720 and this 2 will be 2880. So this is the answer. This is very good question. This is actually the combination of the the two things, permutation and combination. So this is very good thing. So try to understand about that, and please try to practice for this also. Okay. Let me take some question also. Example number 21. Can you see? Example number 21. This is looking good. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. A group consists 7 boys and 4 girls. Total 11. Written outside. Okay. Now question says, in how many ways can a team of 5 members will be selected? We have to select a team of 5. First question is over here. Actually, in how many ways can a team of 5 members will be selected? If the team has, now question starting. If team has no girl. Now one can simply understand the required way. I don't want to stretch the question very long. Let me speak frankly that we have a total 11, no matter at all. 7 boys, 4 girls. But question says you have to make a team of 5. But team has no girl. In this team particular 5, there should be no girl. So definitely all 5, whatever you are selecting, will be selecting from the boys, because there should be no girl in the team. So required way will be only 7 boys. You have to select all 5 from the boys. Girls should not be there. So your answer is 7C5. Do you remember the law? NCR equal to NC n minus R. This is complementary combination. You can use here because these two are, this is a big one and these two are very near. So you can use as NCR equal to NCn. It is not necessary, but for convenient I am using 7C7 minus 5. 7C7 minus 5. This is the answer. And 7C2 can be done by 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1. So 2 3s are 6 and this is 21. Way by which you can make the team of 5 only of boys, because there is a no girl. Okay, this is the first question. Now second question is, at least one boy and one girl. At least word is very important. One boy and one girl, meaning team must have at least one girl and one boy. So how we can deal? Okay, definitely this least condition is given. So maximum is according to the situation we will handle. So required way is first of all I will go with the boys. I'll go with boys. 7C1 into 4C4. What it's meaning? Very good thing. That you have chosen one boy. So definitely you want to make the team of 5. So if one boy, girls will be 4. So 4 girls will be selected from all 4 girls. The 4C4, it's a valid. So if you want to see the team now, 4 and 1, 5, this is one kind of combination of the 5 girls you have formed, in which boys are 1 and girls are 4. And more possible are there. So if you will choose the 2 boys, so girls will be 3. So this will be condition of OR. So it will be handled by plus, meaning first of all you want to see that is complete 5-member team you have formed, in which 1 boy and 4 girls was there. And this was one of the answer. But some other options may be there, which will be handled by taking plus sign between them and go on. Like what? If you will choose the 2 boys, so you have to choose only 3 girls, so that 3 and 2 combination will be whole 5. This is one of the more combination, one option. So one thing also, if you will choose 3 boys, so you have to go with 2 girls. And similar, if you will choose 4 boys, you will choose 1 girl. And lastly, if you will choose all boys, There'll be no girl. 4C0 is a 1. You don't worry about that. And this is the big, thing what you have got. You just have to solve one by one. You know the way of solving. Do carefully. I am not doing because it is time wasting now, because each and every condition you know that how to handle the situation. This is answer. So this was the simple done. And third question says what? At least 3 girls. Again, same question coming. At least 3 girls. Okay. Required ways. Required ways. Now we have girls 4. So we'll start with, okay, for one girl. If one girl I'm choosing, from girl I'm starting, because the condition of girl is given. You can also start with boys, but it will be tough. So start with girl. 4C1. If one girl is chosen, definitely 4 boys will be there. Or because at least 3 girl meaning least 1. At least, sorry, it's my mistake. At least 3 meaning highly 3 and then more. Meaning at least 3 girls. I'll choose first 3 girl. So definitely 2 boys will be there. At least 3 meaning minimum 3. Maximum, maybe, look at here, I tell you. This condition will happen if you are choosing 3 girls out of 4. So 2 boys will be there. If all 4 girls will be chosen, definitely boys will be 1 only, because the team of 5 you have to make. And student, one thing that if 4 girls already there, 4C4 condition has come, you can't make 4C5. 5 girls are not there, so you can't choose 5 girls from the 4 girls. So at least 3 girls, 3 or 4. These 2 situations will be made, and this is the answer. Now further you can do it. So this is the question from my side only. Students, now one more question I want to explain only. Now later on it's your job to do the exercise also. Example 22 looking good. Look at. Find the number of words with or without meaning which can be formed using all the letters of the word again. If these words are written in a dictionary, what will be 50th word? 2 questions are asked here. First, again, given word is again. Total letters 5, where A coming 2 times. You can understand. So required words or total words will be, the first question is independent question. This is a permutation question where we want to form all the words by the letter of the word again, where A's are repeating twice. You know the concept. Factorial 5 upon factorial 2. So 120 upon 2, meaning 60 words you can make by the word again. 60 words you can make by the letter of the word again. Now student, questions further ask, if these meaning these 60 words are written as a dictionary, what will be 50th word? This is a very good question. What will be 50th word? So this is the thing which I want to share with you. Some conditions we have to follow. You understand the way of dictionary. You know that how words are arranged in a dictionary. In dictionary, first the all word of the which start with A letter comes. Then definitely after A it will be G and N I and then N. So one by one we will arrange and we'll find the words. Look at what is 50th word will be there. Okay, so first of all, what we will do? We will find all the letters. We are actually arranging all 60 words according to dictionary. First of all, I will find all those words according to dictionary which start with A. So I'll write here first. We'll find first all the words in dictionary which start with A. Can you see? 5. We start with A. So any A you can take here. Suppose this A is here. So now we have a 4, G-A-I-N. And one thing, that A is a constant at the very first place, so we don't have to see A. So we put A as constant at very left place. At very left place. Now student, one thing, that if A is constant, we have a 4 box, and A is a constant, so we have a 4 letter. So 4 letter GAIN is no repetition. So 4 letters, these 4 is a constant, rest 4 letters can be arranged at rest 4 places by 4p4 ways, or factorial 4 meaning 24 ways. Try to understand, meaning you can form 24 words which start with A. Sometimes students get confused, sir, that a double A is coming. No, because A you have put as a constant in the first place. So only 4 boxes we have and 4 letters we have. Now, what will be happening? Second condition. So this A we have found. Again this A can't come because A and A is same. So we can't take them in twice condition. So you know that I'll just tell you one thing, that double A was there. In single case we have found. So don't take the double A condition. Already we have 24 ways in which it includes. So student, after A it is G. We find those words now which start with G. Now look at. So if G is the constant in the first place, how many letters? A-I-N. A is twice, you understand? Now we put G as constant at very left place. So rest 4 letters can be arranged at 4 places by. One thing you should understand, that if G is placing at left place, A-I-N, where A is coming 2 times. So your answer by factorial 4 upon factorial 2. Without any explanation you can write. So your answer is 12. 12 ways. Similarly, third. Look at the thing. Third. We find, now after G it's a time of N. G, I. Now we find those words which start with I. So similarly, I am not writing whole the condition again. Required way. If I place at a constant at the first left place, what A, G, A, N is coming. So these will be placed in 4 places where A's are repeating now. So required ways of 4, factorial 4 upon factorial 2 meaning 12. Now can you count till here? This very good thing I am telling you. 24 words which start with A, 12 words which start with G, 12 words which start with A, and 12 and 24 all gonna be 48. So till now you have arranged 48 words according to dictionary, and you want to find the 50th word. So it's now gonna be so easy. How we can handle this situation? Let me wrap this. I'm writing here something. Look at the thing. Till now you have formed 48 words. Till now we have formed 24 plus 12 meaning 48 words. So now it's only the thing, you know what again? We start with A, 24 words we got. We start with G, is 12 words we got. We start with I, 12 words we got. Now N is remaining. So I'll start that. If 48 words already happened, I don't want to use a similar method for N because total will be, these also will be 12. But we want to concern about 50th word. So think about after 48 what will come. So 49th word will be, look at 49th word will be, now try to arrange. We don't want to find all the words which start with N. We just want to find the current 49th word which start with N. So you know the spelling A-G-A-I-N. A-G-A-I-N. This is again. Now we start with N. So according to dictionary, after n what will come? A, G and I. According to dictionary, N, A, G, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, meaning G and I will come. This is gonna be what? 49th word. And 50th word will be N, A, this G and I will be I and G. This is according to the dictionary I am arranging. First it will be N, double A, G and then I will be coming, and then after I and G will be coming. You can understand this is a way of dictionary. What word will first come? G will come and then I will come. After I will come and G will come. So this is a way. This is a 50th word. We don't want to find all the words till 60 because whole words was 60, you know. Till 60, from the 60, 48 words we formed, which start with A, which start with G, which start with I. Now we are going to start with N, but we can't find all the words because we don't want all these things. We want to find only 50th word. 48 we already have found. So 49th and 50th, this is just by prediction we can find it. This is the answer. So student, this is a combination chapter from my side. You please finish the miscellaneous exercise from your side. If still any problem, you are free to call me. Thank you.